My heart always hurt whenever I saw a homeless person on the street, especially during bad weather. I had a strong desire to help and support them in one way or another. But unfortunately, I saw that this would not be possible, especially in the present world situation. I thought, how could I ever accomplish this task? Until one day, when I came across this amazing company called ONPASSIVE Nation, and I saw and heard the desire of this gracious and generous CEO Mr.Ash Mufareh speak and his vision to eradicate poverty. My dead dream began to resurrect. Today, as we are getting closer for our company to launch globally, I am convinced that my wishes and desires will become a reality. Thanks to the God of heaven. Thanks to Mr. Ash Mufareh and all our amazing leaders who made this possible. To make a change, to make a difference, to make tomorrow better than today. Thank you very much.